Hey, howdy, howdy, howdy. It's a little breezy out here, so if there's any wind noise, I apologize ahead of time. But I'm out here instead of working on a model this week to show you guys something. But we have done a thing. I'll get to that thing here in a minute. But plus, the dashboard paint hasn't arrived yet. I'll get up here in case it's a little breezier. Hasn't arrived yet, so we are still waiting on that. It's supposed to be here this Friday, but we'll see. Relatively quiet in the RV park tonight. Hit 114 today. That's why I'm out here tonight, because the camera would overheat very easily. But anyway, let me show you what we have done. There it is. Let me kick this light on. Hold on. I'm going to turn you back this way. Walk this way. Get the light on. There we go. It's getting breezy over there. There we go. 2017 Ford Explorer. I had to get it. The light's going to kick off, so there it goes. But had to get it. Let's go over here. 64,000 miles on it. Come on, light, come back on. There we go. Get back over here. Out of this breeze. But yeah, 64,000 miles on it. We are the fourth owners, which is kind of weird that it has low mileage with that many owners. But on average, this thing's only been driven about 7,000 miles a year. But that's the new ride. Bobby's sitting there back behind it. Back there, but he's our water transporter for the rig, which is originally what we got him for. Let me see if I can get in it. Yeah, it's unlocked. Let's get in here rather than wind. Here's the interior. It's got a two-tone interior in it, brown. Nice cloth seats, so they won't get hot in the summer out here. That screen needs to go off. Right there. 63, almost 64,000. I've put about 300 miles on it. I guess that's all the dome lights it has in it. But this thing's like a brand new vehicle. A lot of storage. Third row seating in the back. It looks like it's never been sat on. I gave $20 for that dust mitt right there. I can't believe that. Them things are expensive these days. I couldn't find the one on the stick, so I just bought a mitt instead. Got Sirius satellite radio with it, I think, for a year. I'm not sure. Sync, Bluetooth, all that stuff. It's very, very cool. But yeah, we went with the Explorer. Instead of the Expedition. We had an Explorer before, and we liked it. But yeah, like I said, we decided to go with the Explorer. It's a V6, no EcoBoost, which is nice. They had a few issues with the EcoBoost. But this one I'm gonna go back to Indiana, and we're gonna get a small camper put on the back. I have to take it and have a hitch put on the back of it. But these Explorers are front-wheel drive now. I don't know when they switched them over. Push button start. That takes a little bit to get used to. And check this out. It's got a shifter with an S, which I'm assuming means standard. I haven't really looked in the owner's manual too much. But not only does it have the shifter here, but behind the wheel back here, you can't see them, can you? Right there. Right here. Paddle shifters on both sides. Right there, paddle shifter. too dark to see the other one. All kinds of buttons on the wheels. Or no, steering wheel. Radio control, cruise control, phone control, menu control for all your settings. This thing does have where it shuts off at a stoplight. I don't like that, so it's off. You can turn that off. Spacious glove box. I mean, one of the biggest glove boxes I've seen in a vehicle. That's the dealership registration for us. Charging ports down here. Though the charging port in this is very slow, so I went and bought a 12-volt cigarette lighter thing, dual port, and it's a fast charger. But yeah, this is what we went with. Good on gas. This thing, it's way better than Bobby, I will say that. Bobby's only got a little 4-cylinder in him. But I just couldn't get over the shape and the low mileage. Mileage is the main reason we bought it. That's the main reason. What's going to be our little camper pod, but I think we're going to go with a travel trailer on the back. Oh yeah, big storage here. Look how deep that is, if you can see it. But it's breezy out there. That's why we're not out there. But we like it. Oh yeah, a little vanity mirror thing up here. See, got one on that side too. Put the windshield cover on it. But yeah, we like it. Becky hasn't, of course she hasn't drove it yet, but she's seen it and wanted it, so I went and got it. And Mike took me up there to Phoenix and we brought it back. It drives like a brand new one, which is better for 63,000 miles. Alrighty, I'll get out one more time. Hopefully the horn don't beep when I shut the door. No, I didn't. Let's get over here with this breeze. There we go. Got the fancy white light that outlines the headlight on it. You really can't tell because they're too bright. But I got a daylight picture. I'll put that on here too. But yeah, the reason I'm out here is because it's like 91 degrees right now instead of 114. So y'all have a good one. I'm going inside and get this video edited and get ready for tomorrow. Later all. Thanks for watching.
Shoes, world on my shoulders.